Welcome back everyone. This is our second ETABS class on building analysis, and we will do today defining the material property and different sections property for our structure analysis. And we from there we will do our beam and column and slab installation in our model. So now let's start. Now at first go to define, and here you can see that material properties. Click at this and you can see different models here, and you can make here a new model. You can add a new material here according to their needs. So let's delete this previous one model. So now we will make our new one. These are default model, so it cannot be deleted, so we will make ourselves. And here according to a region and material property, you can say river and standard Indian, and SYST we will 500. Then click on OK. According to your building needs, you can make this. And here you can see 500 anything, say you can rename it. Okay, one okay, river, all the things are okay. Then click OK. Then click add new material, and now we will add concrete, and concrete will be M20. According to your building need, you can change this M21. Okay, concrete, and other property no need to change. Then click on OK. Then it is done. Then click on simply OK. Then go to define and go on section property, frame section. We have to select here for beam or column. So now delete all this. This is default value, so delete property. So go to delete multiple property, then select all this, then delete selected frame section. Okay, then these two default stay here. Then now go to add new property. So we will do rectangular section, so go to rectangular, and then here something will appear in the window. Now here you can see property name. At first we will look in our plan. Here is here is beam 300 by 300 and column 350 by 350. So at first beam 300 by 300. Now here you can name it beam 300 by 300. Now it is we are made for M20, so change to M20, and then display color, anything you can color can be changed for our beam, blue or anything. Okay, blue. Okay, then here you can see depth is our 300, and width also 300. Now here you can see modify show property. Then for beam according to your national building code, you have to change this. So in our region we use shear area in second direction is 0.4, in third direction also 0.4. the second direction or third direction, second direction left and right, and third direction means top and bottom, left and right, and top and bottom. And then for movement in inertia we use for beam 0.35, and for third axis 0.35, and other value according to your structural need you can change. So this movement here, this factor is for we use bending of the building. So we have to use factor at actually the building. If we put here 1 then it is practically it is not possible. What we put 1 value is our that what dimension we have adding here. At that dimension it will be, the structure may not be failed. So we have to analyze the structure at something factor that will be you work in our practical life. So we have to add this factor. Then click on OK. Then modify show river. And now we are designing for column. So go to column, and top river you can add 40 mm according to your need, 40 mm. Then here as well 500, and this no need to change. Then simply click on OK, and all the things are changed here. Now click on OK. Now add new property for column. We have done for beam. Now for column, we have dimension 350 by 350. Now it is also EM20. Now for column, here you can change color. I will change to yellow. Then all the things are okay. Here 350 and width also 350. Now modifies for property. For column also it is 0.4, but at movement it is 0.7, double of beam. Here also 0.7. Then click on OK. Then modify so river. Here is column okay, and then clear cover 40 mm okay. Here SYST 500. That is our strength is 500. The longitudinal bar size you can add according to your design. Let's 16. And other things are okay according to your needs. You can change this. Now click on simply OK. Then all the things are setting are changed, so click on OK. These are done. Now you can delete this. At first deleting option may not be seen. After putting these two, these two can be deleted. It is not in a delete property. Now this is our beam and column. Now it is done. Okay. Now go to define and select property. Now we have to select for slab. Delete that previous one and then add new property. Slab. We have our slab design of 150 mm and 125 mm. Slab 150 mm for our room and room or roof, and EM20 cell thing okay, color gray okay. Then slab, then here EM 150 mm. It is for room slab. Simply look okay. Then go to add new property. Now for 125 mm for stair, 150 for room slab and 125 for stair. They simply here also change 125. Here you can see our design slab is 150 and 125 mm for stair. Then it is in mm. You can see our unit. Simply click on OK. Now slab setting is done. Then click on OK. Now here you can see our different tools. Now this is for quick draw beam, this is for quick draw column, and here you can see this is for slab. So these are also there are many other options. These options are for single click. If you click this, then here you can see beam 300 by 300. You have to change. If there is any other column, then you have to change to beam. Then you can select all there, all our that designing that dimension. Then simply click this. Then now our beam is designed here. Now go click on escape and click on this next toolbar, and you have to change your property column. Then simply we select all of our model. Then here you can see our column is designing in our model. Then simply click OK. You can also make this more brighter by clicking this extrude button, and you can also see from 3D. This is our but only top of our story it is made. So here one thing is mistake, so you have to go to base or anyone. Here is one story, you have to make all story. Then here add new window, you can also make to this. Then change this to plan. Now you have to do again, because here is only one story showing. So beam 300 by 300 okay. Then select all. Then for all story it is made beam. Now go to column 300 by 300 okay. Then select all. Now all column is selected. Also you can see from 3D. You look at here. Yeah, our column and beam is made in this figure. You can see here. You can also rotate this building light by clicking shift and scroll button in the mouse. As you can also do rotate 3D view from here. Now go to plan base. Now we have made uh, column and beam for our structure. Now you have to make for slab. Flop slab. We have property 150 for our room. So here is all history. It is okay. Then click all. Then here slab is came in our model by clicking escape and look on 3D. For checking, you can see on 3D there here is a slab in our building. Now go to plan base, and now you can see here is our slab is made. Slab, beam and column is are made in our building according to our property that we are defined before in our class. Now in our next class, so this much for today. In our next class we will discuss on how to install a staircase in our building analysis design. So stay in our YouTube channel. Thank you for today.